a ray of hope, unveiling the sun's warmth. The sun rises, casting a warm glow over the landscape. Anya feels the gentle warmth on her face as she steps outside. Its golden rays paint the world in vibrant hues, and Anya finds solace in its gentle caress. To her, the sun is more than just a celestial body. It's a beacon of hope, a symbol of joy, and a constant companion in her adventures. A golden connection, Anya and the sun. From the moment Anya opens her eyes each morning, she's greeted by the sun's warm embrace. Its rays peek through her window, inviting her to start a new day filled with wonder and excitement. Anya's heart swells with happiness as she steps outside, feeling the sun's gentle warmth on her skin. She dances joyfully under the sun, feeling its gentle rays. Anya's love for the sun runs deep. She spends countless hours basking in its golden glow, feeling its energy invigorate her spirit. She smiles, knowing the sun is her friend. Dancing with sunbeams, Anya's sun-kissed adventures. The world transforms into a magical playground under the sun's watchful gaze, and Anya is always eager to explore its wonders. She chases after butterflies, their wings shimmering like rainbows in the sunlight. She runs through fields of wildflowers, their petals bursting with colors so vibrant they seem to rival the sun itself. Every adventure is more special, every moment more precious, with the sun as her companion. Anya's laughter echoes in the air. As bright and cheerful as the sunbeams dancing around her, she feels the sun's playful touch on her skin, amplifying her joy and making every experience even more memorable. The unexpected guest, a cloud shadow descends. One afternoon, as Anya is playing happily in her favorite meadow, a change occurs. Suddenly, a large, fluffy cloud drifts across the sky, casting a shadow over the sun. The once bright meadow dims, the vibrant colors losing their intensity as shadows lengthen and the air grows cooler. Anya pauses her play, a sense of mystery and suspense settling over her. The sudden absence of the sun's warmth sends a shiver down her spine. She looks up at the cloud, its immense size a stark contrast to the cheerful blue sky that surrounded it moments before. Whispers of tension, the sun's temporary retreat. As the cloud completely engulfs the sun, plunging the meadow into an unexpected twilight, Anya can't help but feel a moment of tension. The world seems unfamiliar and a little bit unsettling without the sun's reassuring presence. Where moments ago everything was bathed in warmth and light, now shadows dance in the cloud's cool embrace. Anya misses the sun's comforting warmth. She misses its bright, cheerful light. A wave of uncertainty washes over her, but she waits, knowing the sun will return. The cloud, though seemingly harmless, now represents a source of tension for the young girl. A triumphant return, the sun's reassuring embrace. As if sensing Anya's fear, the sun begins to assert its dominance. Slowly, steadily, it emerges from behind the cloud's fluffy edge, its golden rays piercing through the grayness. The meadow is bathed once again in the sun's glorious light, the colors returning to their former vibrancy as if by magic. Anya watches in awe as the sun reclaims its place in the sky. Warmth spreads through her body, chasing away the lingering chills and replacing them with a comforting heat. The fear that had momentarily gripped her heart dissipates like mist on a sunny morning, replaced by a wave of triumphant joy as the sun embraces her once more. A golden lesson, the sun's enduring hope. As the day ends, the sun sets, leaving a hopeful glow. Anya knows that the sun will always return, bringing warmth and light. It's a symbol of hope, a reminder that even after the darkest periods, brightness will always return. Anya knows that just like the sun, joy and happiness will always find their way back into her life, chasing away any shadows that may temporarily dim her spirit, and so she continues to greet each day with open arms, her heart filled with the sun's enduring warmth and the unwavering belief that hope will always light her way.